And there is that live look of Dragon Endurance as it sits on top of the ocean off the coast of San Diego, California.
Dragon, SpaceX, we see the onboard for Power 1 28-volt converter. No correction required at this time. Stand by for more words.
Dragon copies, no crew action on the caution. Dragon copies, no crew action on the caution.
Dragon Endurance has now returned home, and NASA astronauts Anne McClain, Nicole Ayers, JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi,
and SpaceX Dragon for step 1.2, Dragon for step 1.2, 800, we see 4 fired.
And
Dragon, we see the same.
And Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov are back on Earth after an approximately 17-and-a-half-hour return journey from space, completing their 5-month mission aboard the International Space Station.
The SpaceX recovery ship and team has been waiting for Dragon splashdown, and they will now start to make their way to the splashdown location. The teams have been ready and waiting about 3 nautical miles away, so it's going to take them about 30 minutes to make their way to Anne, Nicole, Takuya, and Kirill inside of Dragon.
And so we did have splashdown happen on time at 8:33 a.m. Pacific, 11:33 a.m. Eastern off the coast of San Diego, California.